easily earn $7,000 a day. Fishermen in the Indian Ocean eat curry when they are hungry. If you are tired, lie down and sleep. The happiest job on earth. In the waves of the Indian Ocean, this huge wooden fishing boat swayed in the wind and waves. This is the home of the fishermen, carrying their livelihood and livelihood. This sea is rich in fish stocks. It also witnessed the hard work and wisdom of the fishermen. It's windy today. Undulation. And the ships sway freely with the waves. And the fishermen were undeterred. I'm used to this life. On their faces, it is full of tenacity and perseverance in struggling with the ocean as the sun rises. Lunch at noon and a short break. Comes quietly. Another fisherman pulled out a few wooden poles from under the deck of the ship, and he maneuvered them on either side of the boat. And this was followed by a bright red canopy. The cloth pitched a huge tent. Worries about the scorching sun and sea breeze. Provides a bit of cover. In this busy group, the older fisherman's uncle has taken his place on deck. His hands split the fresh joy with agility. The blade rusted in the sun. Fish dancing on the edge of the knife. It's like an artistic performance. The uncle's eyes revealed a kind of proficiency and satisfaction. He remembers these flower sharks. It was specially exchanged with a friend before going to sea, although sea fish is their main diet. But the occasional change makes life richer. He focused on cutting, looking up at the sea from time to time. I silently recite the blessings and expectations for the sea in my heart. And the other fishermen were not idle either. Division of labor and cooperation. Someone is mashing red peppers and onions with pomegranates, fingertips dancing briskly in the pomegranate, accompanied by a delicate fragrance, gradually into a rich sauce. They fit together like a harmonious piece of music. Every music note are preparing for the next feast. The fisherman quickly set up another aluminum pan and poured in the oil. With the sizzle of oil, like the waves whispering in my ear. They are careful. Pour the mashed sauce into the pan. The aroma overflows, coveted. When the sauce is stirred, fishermen bring fresh bazaar nuggets. Put them into the pot one by one. The pot was suddenly steaming hot. It seems that even the smell of the ocean is being awakened at this moment. They are skilled. Complete movement. It's like giving life to these little pleasures. The last step is where the soul is. That is to join Marsala and Rock. The Indian Ocean is rich in fishing resources, covers a variety of fish and marine life. This naturally became an important pillar of the Indian coastal economy. Indian fishermen are among the rich resources in this area, received a considerable income, especially in the context of increasing export demand. The market price of high-quality seafood products continues to increase, from fishing to marketing. Fishermen use effective fishing techniques and modern fishing equipment, improved fishing efficiency, ensuring their financial gain. In addition, the Indian government is also very active in supporting fishermen. Sustainable development, without too much intervention. And this virtuous circle, not only does it increase personal income, also for the prosperity of the local community. It was a catalyst. In short, rely on the mountain to eat the mountain. Indian fishermen who rely on water. The one who has lived is called a moisturizing. Under the heat of the flames, the ingredients in the pot will merge, gradually emits a strong aroma. It has the salty color of the sea, rich in seasonings. After a period of stewing, it's finally ready to go. At this moment, the sun shines on the deck through the cracks in the tent. Shanghai waves gently beat the hull of the boat. Every time a wave rises, it's like sending wishes for their lunch. Faint smoke fills the air. Adds a touch of relaxation to this afternoon. And somebody started chatting. Tell interesting stories about being at sea. Laughter came one after another, like the melody of the waves beating against the hull of the ship. Big Brother served 6 plates of rice on a plate. Then serve each plate of rice with a mellow fish curry soup. The golden soup is like the afterglow of the setting sun. Illuminated their faces. Just then, the sun shines through the tent with mottled shadows. The figures of the fishermen staggered on the deck. It was as if the colors of the sea had merged into one vivid picture, scroll. Living on this huge wooden fishing boat, every day is a new adventure, a new experience. Fishermen in this sea, they have found their way of life, and the heart belongs. Everyone sit in a circle on the deck, discussing today's harvest and hope for the future. That long-lost sense of unity warmed the hearts of fishermen. They are on the rough Indian Ocean. Not just a group of hard-working catchers, but also a family. Carefree life in each other's company. Fishermen pick up their plates, full belly, expected to enjoy this delicacy from the sea. The vibrant vitality is surging on them. The sea breeze is blowing, as if to bring them to the endless depths of the ocean. Enjoy the joy and beauty of life.